One of the terms in the binomial expansion, 3 plus ax to the power of 6, where a is a constant, is 540x to the power of 4. Find the possible values of a. So let's just expand 3 plus ax to the power of 6 and see what will be the coefficient of x to the power of 4. So 3 plus ax to the power of 6. So this will be, the power is 6, so 6z0, 6c1, 6c2, 6c3, 6c4, 6c5, and 6c6. Now the first term, the power keeps decreasing. So the highest power will be 3 to the power of 6. So 3 to the power of 6, 3 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 1, and 3 to the power of 0. Now the second term, along with we need to consider the sign also here, since it is positive, so we need to consider the sign along with it. The second term, the power keeps increasing. So ax it is. So ax to the power of 0, ax to the power of 1, ax to the power of 2, ax to the power of 3, ax to the power of 4, ax to the power of 5, and ax to the power of 6. So this is just put addition sign here throughout. So this is the expansion of 3 plus ax to the power of 6. Now, it's mentioned here it is 540x to the power of 4. So the coefficient of x to the power of 4 is what we need. So coefficient of x to the power of 4 means this is the term that we are going to consider. So that is 6c4 into 3 square into ax to the power of 4 is given as 540x to the power of 4. 6c4, when you put this in calculator, you'll get 15. 3 square is 9, so 15 into 9 into a into x to the power of 4 will be a to the power of 4 into x to the power of 4 is equals to 540 x to the power of 4. So x to the power of 4 gets cancelled here. So 15 into 9 is 135. 135 a to the power of 4 is equals to 540. Therefore, we can find out what a is. A to the power of 4 is equals to 540 divided by 135. That is 4. A to the power of 4 is 4. So a will be 4 to the power of, you're changing the side of the power. So here, this is to the power of 4. This 4 goes to the other side. It becomes 1 by 4. So a is 4 to the power of 1 by 4. I repeat, when we want to change the side power from one side to the other side, you just take the reciprocal. 4 means it is 4 over 1. So when you change the side of the power, it becomes 1 over 4. So 4 can be written as what? 2 square. So 2 square to the power of 1 by 4. So this will be 2 to the power of 2 into 1 by 4. That is basically 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. So that is root 2 plus or minus root 2 will be the final answer. This is for the A part, it carries 4 marks here. Now, for the B part, this is A part here. For the B part, hence find the independent term of x in the expansion of 1 by 81 plus 1 by x to the power of 6 into 3 plus ax to the power of 6. So independent term of x means the terms that does not, when we multiply this, the terms that does not have any x term, or basically the terms that are constants here. 3 plus ax to the power of 6, we already did the binomial expansion here. So 1 by 81, when we multiply it with the first term, which does not have any x term here, so that is 1 by 81, you multiply it with 6c0, that is 6c0 is 1, ax to the power of 0, that is also 1. So 1 into 1 into 3 to the power of 6, that is 3 to the power of 6, plus 1 by x to the power of 6 will give you a constant term when we multiply it with the term over here. 6c6 is 1. 1 into 3 to the power of 0 is again 1. So a x to the power of 6. So that is a to the power of 6 into x to the power of 6. So 3 to the power of 6 is 729. 729 over 81 plus 1 by x to the power of 6 into a, we got it as root 2. Root 2 to the power of 6 is 2 to the power of 3 basically. So that is 8 into x to the power of 6. So this x to the power of 6 and x to the power of 6 gets cancelled. 729 over 81 is 9 plus this is 8 will give you 17. So here in the B part, we just have to find out the independent term of x. So 1 by 81, when you multiply with the first term here, you will be getting an independent term of x. Similarly, 1 by x to the power of 6, when you multiply it with the last term, you will be getting an independent term of x. You just have to add them both. So 3 to the power of 6 over 81 is 9 and root 2 to the power of 6 is 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17 will be your final answer. Hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.